Lance, pass to number 10. 2 points para kay number 10. Number 25, nilalabas ang bola. Easy lang daw. Oras natin, 2 minutes and 20 seconds. 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Ang score po natin ay 111-90. Lamang ang Team Ebron. Mark Libong Hanggang, sumublay. White ball tayo. Number 10. Pass to Lance. Lance, 2 points. Number 7, Bailosis. Babawi ng 3. Wala. Pinahapo na si Kuya JR. Bigyan ng nebulizer yan. Number 10. Wala. 1 minute and 40 seconds.
Sayang. Shoot.
Sablay para kay number 75.
Makikigil to. Foul. 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 Si-shoot. No.
Score natin, 95-111. Bailosis may tanga ng bola. Pass to Libong Congon. Libong Congon at tanga. No good. Libong play number 10. Number 10. Nakagawa ng bola, nakagawa ng bola. Libong Congon. Tusok na yan at room 17. 2 points. Arha. Number 10. Nabilawan ng bola. Time out. Boss Ebron.